Okay, so for reference, 5:55, February 19th, or just over 48 hours since it was repaired, and we're making a weird noise. Again. Just putting that out there.